Begin by first pulling back a section of hair and holding it with your left hand before you pick up your comfy comb. Hold the first comb with the curve facing down, so it will hug the curve of your head. Your thumb rests underneath, your other fingers come up and through the Forever Flex band. With right hand, slide comb flat into hair along scalp, bringing it close to the center of your head. Reach your fingertips through the Forever Flex band and grasp hair being pulled back. With free left hand, grab second comb and stretch it towards your other ear. Stretch a little for a soft, looser hold. Stretch a lot for a super strong, snug hold. Flip second comb down and slide back into your hair. Adjust for comfort. The more the combs are stretched apart, the tighter the hold. So gently push your combs together if you want a looser grip. Hair tip. For best hold, position the combs on the high curve of your head, not too low on the nape of your neck.